Guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be building a intruder detection system in Tinkercad using a PIR motion sensor, LED, and a piezo. So to begin with, I'll be explaining each part. So first of all, a LED, pretty simple, just emits light. A PIR motion sensor, it detects motion. Here's a quick example for y'all. See? And if something's in front of it, it'll send a signal. You see how it just flashes? And this just makes noise. So to set things up, I'm gonna begin with connecting the cathode of the LED to the ground pin. Add a resistor. A resistor is basically so too much electricity doesn't flow through the system. So it kind of restricts some, so too much doesn't end up flowing. Then I'll connect this signal to pin 8. Power to pin 3.3 volts and ground to the ground pin. And finally, for my piezo, I'll be adding it to pin 9 and just connecting it to ground pin also. So that's pretty much it for the wiring. Now let's go to the code. So for the code, let's do text. So we want to begin with by setting it up. So basically, as you can see, the LED is connected to pin 13. So we're gonna add 13 and output because the LED is an output. And then let's also add the buzzer. So we're gonna do pin mode. The buzzer is connected to pin 9 and it's an output as well. Now I'm gonna leave out the PIR motion sensor. So now we're gonna do if digital read. So we're gonna read the signal from pin 8, which is the PIR motion sensor, and if it's equal to high, which means if it detects something, then hold on. So if it detects something, then we're gonna digital write pin 13 high, meaning we're gonna turn on the LED. We're also, my bad, we're gonna make the buzzer make noise. The buzzer is pin 9 high. Now else means like if the digital read is low, meaning like there's nobody there, since this is an intruder alert system, then if nobody's there, we just want to leave it off. So we're gonna just copy and paste this. But instead of high, we're gonna set them as to low. So now let's test out our code and hope things work. Alright, all is well. We're gonna see. And it works. I don't know what just happened. Let me try again. So right now it's in front. It's detecting motion, so the LED is on and so is the buzzer. Now when we move out of its way, it takes a while, I don't know why, but it eventually turns off. So that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching this.